So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a string pull picture, but with resin and not acrylic paint. Now I'm going to be working with my board around this way as opposed to how I normally have it. And the reason is I can't get my gloves on because my hands are too sweaty. And the reason I've got it around that way is I'm going to lay the strings like this in alternating colours. I have 6 strings on there. Then I'm going to use this that I've made out of a hook and a lollipop stick. I'm going to hook the strings, I'm going to pull them through the middle, and I'm going to see what happens. Now, I have seen this done with acrylic paint once, but I just thought I would have a look to see what it come out like with resin. The colours I'm going to be using are gold, black background, gold, obviously gold mica, red mica, because they're the colours that I absolutely love. Okay, without much ado, let's get on with those. And I'm also going to be, with any runoff, filling some pendant. So I've got 3 different shapes out today. I've got 2 hearts, 2 circles, 2 squares, and some drops, so 4 different shapes. And the capuchons, or I can't never say that word, I just don't know how, that I've attached with blue tack with a little bit of a wooden skewer. And then when I've dipped them in any runoff that I like, I always have them ready, I just pop them in a kitchen sponge that I've got a hole made in. It holds them upright until they dry. So without too much of ado, let's get on with this and make a picture. Make sure that that's there, got that all over. Okay, so all the bubbles gone. As you can see, there are some shimmery bits in this. So I'm now going to lay my pieces of string down without hopefully getting too messy. I should just pull through there. Now I want quite a lot of resin on these. I don't want them to be just no resin on them at all. I'm just going to nip that across there and lay that on there like that. Look, I've made a mess already. So let's get a cloth. Off my fingers. So that's the first one. Okay. So what I'm going to now try and do is hook my string under that, mica hook under that, like that. And now I'm going to pull slowly, trying to get those ones in as well as I'm doing it. And I'm keeping it quite flat to the actual board itself while I'm pulling them off. And there we go. All done with actually not as much mess as I thought there would be. And so far, I really like that. How simple was that? Oh, he loves it. Oh, he loves when something goes simple. And do you know what? There is hardly any runoff either. So I don't have anything to put in my bits that I've prepared, but they're ready for next time. I'm just going to go over it with a torch and get rid of some bubbles, because there will be bubbles now. And I'm going to let those bubbles die. And we'll see. Kill those bubbles. Ta-da! Oh. And then we're going to see what happens when that dries. Right, there we go. There's a bubble there. That's gone now. this will produce some cells, or maybe it won't, or... well, who knows what it's going to do, because I have no clue. There we go, I think that's enough, because I don't want to heat that up anymore. I have got this torch on quite low. I learned that a long time ago. So there we go. I actually think that's lovely. I'm really, really pleased with that. In fact, I loves it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I have some gold left, and I think I'm just going to fill up a few of my bits that I've got on the side with some gold, and we'll come back to this in a few hours and we'll see how it's dried. Well, this turned out so much better than I thought it would. I'm holding my camera by hand. I'm sorry about the reflection, that's me in it, but it did sell up a little bit. I absolutely adore that picture and will definitely be putting that up on my walls. My walls are so going to be full of art soon that it's just not going to be any space for anything else. I haven't got the lights on in my studio because of the glare off the resin, but as you can see, it really has come out well. I'm so pleased with it. It was such an easy technique, and my little cabochons, or whatever they're called, came out really well as well. I'm quite pleased with those, as did the other jewellery that I made, and they've come out lovely too. So I'm not sure whether this is going to come up really well because of the lighting in here. And that was just done from the leftover resin and just dipping it in. Thank you very much for watching. Please take care. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video as much as you can to help my channel grow. Bye.